May ilan na nag-react dun sa sinabi ko kahapon about taking on work beyond your job description. And I get it, I agree. No? May mga boss talaga na abusado. Merong mga kumpanya na grabe kung sulitin yung kanilang mga empleyado. No? Mahilig magpasa ng trabaho, pero kulang sa suporta, kulang sa appreciation, kulang sa recognition, kulang sa reward. So, kung feeling mo na inaabuso ka, valid yung reaction na yan. And yes, you have the right to say no, no, to work beyond your job description. Hindi mo naman obligasyon na saluhin ang poor planning, poor staffing, or poor management ng iba. So, kung feeling mo, hindi ka nire-respeto, hindi ginagalang yung karapatan mo dyan sa trabaho mo, fair din, na pag-isipan mo kung kailangan mo na bang lumipat sa lugar where your work will be better appreciated. You know, at the end of the day, you do you. Gawin mo kung ano ang tingin mong fair para sa'yo. Ito lang, suggestion lang ito ha, be intentional. Kung tatanggi ka, know the consequence. Lahat yan merong kapalit, di ba? Kung tatanggapin mo naman yung additional na work, know the reason. Kung aalis ka, syempre, have a plan. Kung mananatili ka naman sa kumpanya, know what you're trying to build. Sabi nga ni Zig Ziglar, your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your latitude. Your skills matter, pero your mindset, choices, and response to situations will affect how far you can go. So, protect yourself, yes. Set boundaries, yes. Know your worth, yes. Then decide your next move like someone who owns their career. I hope this helped.